Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to add a payment method on Printify. So guys, when you open your account on Printify, go to wallets as you can see here and click on payment. As you can see here, this is different payment option, and you have PayPal, you have Google Pay, you have Payoneer. And if you want to payment with credit card, guys, click here this option, add credit card. After that, wait and click here card number, and after that click your expired data and click on security code CVV. Sorry, click here your name and your billing address as you can see here. After that, just click add to add card. If you want to change the currency, just click here and click subscribe, and you can add your Payoneer, guys. Just click here your card. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Any question, guys, down below in comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.